Most AI agency owners fail, and it has nothing to do with their skills. They're chasing clients in the wrong market. Today, I'll show you exactly whether the USA or the UAE gives you a better chance of landing high-paying AI clients. The biggest mistake isn't your pricing or your offer. It's assuming every country buys the same way. That single mistake cost you months of wasted outreach. Thousands of agency owners send hundreds of cold emails every week. Most never get a reply because they're using the same outreach strategy for completely different markets. Over the next few minutes, you'll learn how each market works, what business owners actually care about, how to tailor your outreach, and which country you should focus on first. Winning in the US isn't about sending more emails. It's about proving that you understand the client's business before asking for a meeting. Let's start with the United States. It's one of the world's largest technology markets, filled with startups, software companies, agencies, and businesses actively investing in AI automation. But here's the challenge. Your potential clients receive dozens of cold emails every single week. If your message looks generic, it disappears within seconds. The opportunity is enormous because millions of businesses are constantly looking for ways to reduce costs, save time, and increase productivity using artificial intelligence. Instead of saying, "I build AI chatbots," say something like, "I noticed your support team answers repetitive customer questions every day. I can automate that process and reduce your workload." American businesses care about results. Show how your AI solution saves time and cuts costs. Your chances of getting a response become higher. Instead of sending a cold message immediately, engage with the founder's content first. A thoughtful comment creates familiarity before your outreach even begins. A short, personalized video explaining one improvement for their business immediately separates you from hundreds of generic emails landing in their inbox. One email is rarely enough. Most successful agency owners follow up several times. Busy founders see your message but don't respond. Don't sell artificial intelligence as a buzzword. Show a real workflow that saves time, removes repetitive tasks, and improves the customer's experience. Now let's shift our focus to the UAE, where opportunities are growing rapidly, but success depends far more on trust, relationships, and long-term business connections than mass outreach. The UAE is investing heavily in artificial intelligence across healthcare, real estate, retail, finance, and government. The opportunity is growing rapidly. But in the UAE, relationships often open more doors than cold outreach. A trusted introduction or a strong professional network can dramatically increase your chances of closing high-value clients. Before discussing pricing, decision makers often want proof that you can deliver results. Strong case studies, testimonials, and a professional presence build confidence before the first meeting. Business owners in the UAE usually expect a premium experience. Present your proposal professionally, explain the long-term value, and focus on business outcomes instead of competing on price. Neither market is universally better. The right choice depends on your strengths, your outreach strategy, and the type of clients you want to work with. Before we continue, I want to share that can help you close more deals. If you're serious about getting international clients, join my WhatsApp channel. I share free outreach templates, cold email frameworks, proposal formats, follow-up strategies, and AI automation ideas every week. Now let's bring everything together. Your outreach should change depending on who you're contacting. The same message won't perform equally well in every market. Personalization doesn't mean writing an entirely new email every time. It means showing that you understand the client's business and explaining how your solution fits their specific challenges. Think of outreach as a system rather than a single message. Every follow-up, meeting, and proposal moves your prospects one step closer to becoming paying clients. The agencies that consistently win clients don't rely on luck. They build a repeatable acquisition system, refine it every week, and let data, not emotions, guide every improvement. Businesses don't buy artificial intelligence. Lower costs, happier customers, and more revenue. Your outreach should focus on those outcomes instead of the technology itself. The best agencies think like business consultants. Every conversation should move a prospect toward a measurable business outcome instead of another technical discussion. Imagine a dental clinic spending hours every day answering the same questions. One automation system can book appointments, answer inquiries, and free the staff to focus entirely on patients. Never compete to be the cheapest. Present multiple options and guide the client toward the package that delivers the best business value instead of the lowest price. Neither market is automatically better. The winning strategy is understanding how each audience makes decisions, then adapting your communication to match their expectations. Landing one client is only the beginning. The real goal is creating a repeatable system that consistently brings in new opportunities month after month. Track every conversation inside a CRM. When your pipeline is organized, you'll always know who needs a follow-up, who is ready for a proposal, and where your next deal is coming from. The most successful agencies don't copy the same outreach everywhere. They study each market, understand local expectations, and adapt their messaging before reaching out. Measure everything. Your reply rate, meeting rate, proposal conversion, and closed deals will tell you exactly where your outreach needs improvement. The agencies that grow the fastest don't chase every opportunity. They build trust, deliver exceptional results, collect testimonials, earn referrals, and let satisfied clients become. The smartest agencies don't chase every opportunity. They choose one market, understand it deeply, and build a repeatable system before expanding into new regions. Commit to one strategy for 90 days. Track every conversation, improve every week, and let real data, not emotions, decide your next move. Your portfolio becomes stronger with every successful project. One great client creates proof, proof builds trust, and trust makes your next sale significantly easier. Every successful AI agency follows a repeatable process. The exact tools may change, but consistent research, personalized outreach, strong delivery, and client referrals remain the foundation of long-term growth. Every industry has repetitive work waiting to be automated. The bigger opportunity isn't convincing businesses that AI matters, exactly how your solution improves their daily operations. The USA rewards speed, measurable outcomes, and strong business cases. The UAE rewards credibility, trusted relationships, and premium positioning. Neither is better, they simply require different approaches. If this video helped you, join my WhatsApp channel for free outreach templates, email frameworks, proposal resources, and automation ideas. I'll see you in the next video.